Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do my advanced rim in Onshape. Apart from the still missing surface trim command, it went pretty well. So let's have fun with Onshape. So again, I will reuse a sketch which I used for my simple rim, just to save some time. You can proceed with the same dimensions or you could use different ones. After all, it's just another exercise. So let's confirm and close that sketch, and I want to make a revolve. It should be a surface. I want to use that sketch here, sketch 1, and the revolve axis would be this one, and confirm. Let's hide that revolve or that surface. Okay. I will need two planes, so I will go for the plane, and it should be one with a line angle, and the line would be this one. And the angle in this case would be 30, I suppose. No, it's 60. And I need an angle of 15. So I have to go for 75. Confirm. And another one, again line angle, that axis, and again 70, but the other way around, and confirm. Yeah, looks good. Now I need a sketch on this one and a sketch on that one. So let's start with the sketch on this one. Let's move it like this, and that should be an arc and a line. So that line might start here. Then I need an arc, a 3-point arc from this point over here, maybe like that, and of course it should be tangent. Okay, then another one which starts over here, again a line, and again an arc, maybe like this, and again it should be tangent. Yeah, but that sketch should be on the other plane. So I could take these, cut them, Control X. Let's see if Control X works. I just want to, yeah, so I will copy the sketch entities. That's crazy. It's okay. Let's select them both, and now Control X. Doesn't work. Control C, copy. Delete those and see if they are in the clipboard. Confirm. Go to that plane. Go for another sketch. Control V. Yeah, because it's the other way around, it didn't quite turn out the direction I wanted it to be, so I will draw a new one. Who cares? Maybe like this, and a 3-point arc. Maybe like that, and make it tangent. Maybe, just maybe like that. And let's move this a little bit down, but that's in the other sketch. So go to sketch 2 and move them down a little, just a little bit like that. Okay, confirm. Now I need a plane normal in that point to that line and normal to that curve in that point. So let's go for another plane, and that should be curve point. Curve is this one, and that point right here, that's wrong. Should be this point. That would work as well. Let's take a look. So that's more like it. Confirm. And another one here. Plane, curve point, select curve, and confirm. You could start here as well. Now let's draw a sketch on those two planes. First one on this one, sketch right there. And that would be sort of a arc and a line. And I will need, that's really hard to see, so it just looks, it's on this side, but that's misleading. I will need that point in that sketch plane, so I will go for use, project this into the plane. I need a line and an arc, so I will go for a line. Put this for construction use only, and I need an arc, 3-point arc, point, and it should be here, but it should be sort of the center point. Let's see if we can do it like this. I need another line from that point down there, if possible to the midpoint of that line, like this. Now let's make this one vertical aligned. Yeah, so we got symmetry, and now I can of course move this a little bit, hopefully. Yeah, sometimes yes, sometimes no. Okay, maybe like this. Now I can do a sweep with those two, so go for a sweep, make it a surface, select that arc, select that path, and confirm. And this would be a similar sketch, so I could try to copy it. Let's try and see what happens. Copy sketch and put it onto this plane. But I think, yeah, let's see. Paste sketch. Yeah, looks good. Now let's edit that sketch. Go there and move it a little bit like that. And I need that point in my sketch, so go for project this point and then put those two coincident. Okay, and now I can move this slightly up and draw this maybe like that. Confirm. Let's make a sweep. Surface sweep. I want to sweep this sketch along that path and confirm. Okay, I will need surfaces to trim these because there's no trim surface command. I can only split with surfaces. So we'll need on that plane, that's the top plane, another sketch. Sketch. Let's view it from the top, and I need a line which goes to the origin, maybe like this. Give it an angle. That angle should be 60, and it should be symmetric, so we'll go for another angle, and this would be 30. Now let's extrude that as surface. Extrude surface that sketch right here, and maybe like that. Confirm. Now I can split. So split command. I want to split parts. I want to split that part and the entity to split it with, but I want to keep the tools. Would be this surface. Confirm. So I should be able to hide this one and to hide that one. No, not yet. I have to split this as well. So go for another split. I want to split this one with that surface and keep the tools again. Confirm. Now I can hide this surface. Let's take a look. Yes. Then I want to split with the front plane, so go for another split. I want to split this part with the front plane, this one. Of course I want to keep the tools. Confirm. So I should be able to hide this. And that. And of course I should be able to hide this one beforehand. And now split that surface again with the front plane. And then I could hide this one. Yeah, okay. And then I can hide that surface too. So what's next? I need an extrude. So go for a line on the top plane. That's a line which starts right here and goes over there. Make an extrude. Make it a surface. new surface, of course, with that one. It should go up. Let's say maybe 300. Okay. I need almost the same curve as before, and that would be sketch number. Yeah, but it might flip, so it doesn't matter. Make a new sketch on the front plane. Again, a line followed by an arc. Make it tangent. Now let's try to move this down. Maybe like that, and maybe I can move this point over here as well. Okay, looks okay, yes. And it should be able to extend that for the split. And I will need another line maybe up here. Like that. Let's see. Make another split, which might not be possible because I have to use faces. So I need a surface here, so we'll go for an extrude with surface that sketch and make it symmetric. Maybe 50. Okay, and of course I should keep the sketch visible. Again, an extrude. Surface with that line, again symmetric, maybe again 50, that's okay. And then I can split the surface with this one. Let's see if it can extend. I think it couldn't. No, it couldn't. So delete it and change the sketch. Sketch 8. Like that, and I'm able to split this one, split that surface with this tool, confirm, hide that upper surface, then split again with this tool, hide that part. Okay, and then another sketch on the top plane. This will be a circle, and diameter might be 100. Close, make another extrude, another surface with this one, up, yeah, maybe like that, or make it 300, confirm. Now I could split again, split this one, that one, and this one with this one. Hide, hide, hide. Now let's use our revolve as tool. That should be surface 1. And again split those 3 surfaces with this tool, and of course keep the tools and confirm. Now let's hide or delete this one, and that one. Let's hide this plane, that plane, this sketch, and that surface. I need another sketch, and that sketch would be again on the top plane. Top sketch, and that angle is wrong, this one. So that one, or this one is wrong, I think. Let's take a look. Those 2 planes, that's the first one, which has 75, that's wrong. No, that's correct, 9 minus 75, that's okay, and the other one, this one is wrong, yeah, it should be 75. Doesn't really matter, it should update, okay. Now for my sketch, I need it on the top plane. I need a circle, and that circle should be on that one, so I will project this plane. Not possible, really. I could do intersection and another intersection, and those 2 lines should be for construction only. So that one should be for construction. Doesn't switch. Construction. Nope. So that circle should be on. So what's the plane and what's the line? That's the line. Yeah, that's really hard to tell, because it, yeah, now it switches. Great. Now I can use that and put a circle here, maybe like this. Okay. Then I need a line which should be a little bit longer. A line switch like this, and that point should be on that projection. Okay, give it a dimension. That angle should be 30, and a similar one, but first I could do a fillet. Maybe I should hide those surfaces as well. It's easier to see. Now let's go for the fillet here and make this one, let's say 10, and this plane and that one should be parallel. So go for parallel, this plane and that line. Now let's try to move this a little bit. Okay, something similar right here, so go for another line. Give it a dimension 30. Make this one and that plane parallel. Add a fillet. And give it dimensions. This distance might be 15, and that distance might be also 15. This should be deleted, that radius dimension, and then I should be able to move this in that direction. Yeah, let's show those surfaces. Yeah, hard to tell which one is which. So let's take a look. If that's the one I'm looking for, no. That's one, and so that should no. Yeah. Okay, so I have to extend that a little bit, and here as well. Okay, confirm. Now I can make an extrude with that sketch. Not a sketch, sorry, I need an extrude, a surface extrude with the last sketch. So what's with this sketch? That's an empty sketch. So delete it. Now make the extrude with sketch 10. Make it a surface. And move it up, maybe like 310, and confirm. Now I can split once more, so go for a split, and I think I don't need those tools anymore, so I can go for a split. I want to split this surface or part with that one. Confirm. I want to split once more this surface with that one. Then another split, this surface with this one. Confirm. Now I could hide that surface, this one, and that one. That's the wrong one. I want to hide this surface. So now I should be able to do my thickening. So let's thicken those surfaces. So go for thicken. Of course it's a new body, and this one, let's see if that's the correct direction. Yeah, it is. Confirm. Then thicken the other one, but go for a new solid. Yes. And again, new solid, new. This one, and maybe in both directions, 3 mm. And confirm. Now let's hide the surfaces, this one, that one, and this one. Okay. So that should be a little bit different, and that was sketch number . It's hard to keep track. Yeah, that one. So let's edit this one a little bit. I want to move that point slightly to the center. And that thing did not regenerate properly. Really? So delete it and look for the surface. That's the one. And thicken it. Three and 3. Didn't? Yeah, I should select it, of course. Now it's okay. And let's hide that surface. Okay, I can shell those two and do fillets. Okay, go for shell. I want to shell this one with 2 mm. This should be removed. This should be removed. That should be removed, and this one. And I can keep this side because it's inside of that one. Confirm. Go for another one over here. This should be removed. That should be removed. This one and that one, and again 2 mm. Confirm. Now I can do the fillets before combining or afterwards. Let's do it maybe afterwards, but that fillet, I need that fillet. This should be 3 mm on this edge, that one, and this one, and that one. So it seems this one. Okay. Now I want to do a pattern with that body. Go for a circular pattern. It's a part pattern, yes. It should be this one, that body. The axis of pattern should be that line here. I need 3 instances. The angle should be 60, 3 instances, and it should be centered with equal spacing. $60. Now it's only 2. No, the angle is wrong. It's 30 degrees, and I need indeed 2 instances, and confirm. Now I can combine those, so go for a Boolean union, this one, that one, this one, that one, and this one. Confirm. So I missed one, I missed this one. Okay, and now I can do some more fillets. Let's go for 1 millimeter fillets and see if they work. I need this edge, that edge, this one, and of course that one. Confirm. Then go here, 1 millimeter, this edge, that edge, this one, and that one, and see if it works. Confirm. Great. Then go here, select edge, go for 1 millimeter, this one, that one, and this one. Confirm. Now let's go for maybe 3 or 5 fillets. Let's try 5. This edge, that edge. Let's see if this one could be 5 as well. Sort of. Let's go for 3 millimeter. This edge. Okay. Now here I could go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm. Now we need another circular pattern. I want to pattern this part around that axis, 360 degrees, and I need 6 instances. Yes, confirm. And is there a merge inside that one? No. Let's show our first part. I need the revolve. There should be a surface somewhere. The first one, this one, and thicken that one. So go for thicken, and I could merge it. I could add it. No, I don't add it because I need to make some fillets, so make it, let's say, 3 and 3 with that surface right here, this one. Confirm. So let's hide that surface, and I want to make a union with all those parts, so go for union, this one, and those 6 a little bit slow. And confirm. Nice. I could hide some of those planes and use only the top plane, so I could go for hide all planes because I need only the top plane. Let's see if we can make fillets here and which radius we could use. Let's go for, let's say, 3 and take a look. That works great. Yeah. So it's kind of slow with fillets as well. Maybe I can select them all and then wait for the result. Hopefully it will not crash. Yeah, it's really kind of slow. Just confirm and see. Yeah, pretty good. Now for my centerpiece, I need a sketch on the top plane. Top sketch, and that would be a circle. And diameter might be, let's try 140. Let's take a look from the top. That's too big. So not another one, but I want to change that value to, let's say, 120. Yeah, that might work. Confirm. Make an extrude. Make it a new solid. Sometimes it's really slow, and that might be 270. Or let's say 265. Or even less, 260. and it should be a new one. Confirm. Then add a chamfer right there, so go for this one, select it, make it 2 distances. Let's try 30 and 10. That's a little bit too much, so let's go for 20. Still too much. 15. That's okay. Yeah. Confirm. Add a fillet on that edge. So go for fillet right there. Confirm. Now let's make a union. This one, that one. Confirm. And add another fillet on these edges. Let's see which value we can use. Let's select this one. Great, 5 will work. Might be a little bit too much. Let's go for 3 in this case. And confirm. I need something similar down below, so go for another one. Fillet here. Confirm. And let's add a hole, but for the hole I need a sketch point. So we'll do a sketch right on this face. And I need a point. And that point should be, of course, right there in the center. Leave that sketch. Make a hole. That's the point. Make it through. Yeah. And confirm. And I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Of course you could change those sketches, move these around, so you would get different results. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook head fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.